And you're trying to tell this committee na yung inyong vice mayor, your councilors and the other officers who attended the GAD, wala po silang malasakit sa mga kasama nyo ngayon?
Ay, hindi naman po, Your Honor.
Eh, yun po yung sinabi ninyo eh. Sabi nyo, kayo po yung nagmamalasakit. Kinukuha ko lang yung tanong ko dun sa statement po ninyo. For continuously not attending the hearings in spite of the invitations given for 4 times, may I respectfully move that Mayor Rian Dolor in contempt. So move, Mr. Chair.
I second, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion to cite in contempt Mayor Ryan Dolor Obawan, but now we just go back to the admin matters that was discussed a while ago. Now, under the admin matters, we have to decide, since we have now the quorum, we have to decide on the absence, continuous absence of number 1, Mayor Ryan Dolor, who has issued the subpoena last hearing to Jonathan Yu. Since the first hearing, absent po, and he is now represented by Engineer Morales. Joseph Yu, the same. Now, Herbert Tan is now present. Thank you for coming, ulit, sir. Now, and of course, the invitation that was addressed to Vice Mayor, the Vice Mayor of Vice Mayor Cruzat of Bawan, and the 12, nilagay pa nga dito si attorney. Attorney, parang binadali lang to eh, yung letter, excuse letter nila eh. Pati pangalan mo nandito.
Your Honor, if I may po, supposedly po kasama po ako doon. Kaya lang, as respect nga po, sinamahan ko din po yung aking pong mga, kasi lahat po ng kasama ko yung mga retired po na mga dating mga department heads.
Ay, si Engineer Herman Bonggaling.
Nasa seminar po sa Bohol.
Sa GAD, seminar?
Yes po, yes po.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Chairman ako.
Madam Attorney,
Yes, Your Honor.
bakit po kayo nag-decide na mag-attend? Hindi po kayo sumama sa GAD?
Dahil, actually, Your Honor, naawa po lang din talaga ako as administrator kasi wala pong kasama yung mga, kita nyo naman po ang mga kasama ko, talagang mga medyo may edad na po. At least maalalayan ko man lang po kahit sa sasakyan papunta dito.
And you're trying to tell this committee na yung inyong vice mayor, your councilors and the other officers who attended the GAD, wala po silang malasakit sa mga kasama nyo ngayon?
Ay, hindi naman po, Your Honor.
Eh, yun po yung sinabi ninyo eh.
Hindi naman
Kaya
po.
ako tinanong ko anong dahilan po ninyong bakit kayo nandito, hindi po kayo nandun sa GAD. Sabi nyo, kayo po yung nagmamalasakit. Kinukuha ko lang yung tanong ko dun sa statement po ninyo. Di po ba? And that is the implication of your statement. Di ba? Na yung mga pumunta dun sa GAD, wala silang malasakit dyan sa mga sinamahan mo ngayong araw na ito. Di ba dapat tama lang yun?
Hindi naman po ganun, Your Honor. But again, apologies po kung hindi po sila nandito ngayong aras na to.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Chairman Akop. But anyway, we'll discuss, after discussing the 3 major resource person that is not present today, balikan po natin yun sa council, no? Kasi mukhang ano na to eh. Noong nakaraan, nandun din sa Cagayan, ngayon nandun si Bol. Mamaya po pag-usapan natin yan, attorney. Mukhang umiiwas kayo eh. O umiiwas sila. Anyway, in the case of Mayor Ryan Dolor, he was absent for the past several hearings. Wala po, hindi po dumating dito yung mayor. Si Vice Mayor po dumating once. Now, we have received a copy of the excuse letter of the mayor, and attached is the travel authority signed by the good governor of Batangas, Governor Mandanas, giving him the authority to travel to the United States from March 11 to March 26. Ito lang po yung just for the record, ito lang po yung medyo pagtataka. Kasi supposedly the first scheduled hearing that was postponed was March 11. At na-release, lahat ng invitation was March 5. No? Lahat ng mga invitation was released during supposedly the first hearing was March 11. And all the invitation was released March 5. Pero humingi siya ng Travel Authority March 11 to 26. Yes, admin, do you want to say something?
Your Honor, actually po yung travel authority is just an extension of his previous travel authority issued by the good governor. The original travel authority was until March 10, so he sought extension po of the travel authority.
Whatever, attorney, what I'm saying is the invitation was sent out for March 11 hearing, March 5. But the extension was March 11 to 26. Hindi ba nakapagtataka yun?
Your Honor, dahil nga po yung pong travel authority would expire on March 10.
Hindi nga, whatever. Bakit hindi na lang kumuha ulit ng travel authority after this hearing? Diba? Well, in fact, the only attached documents here is the travel authority of the good governor. Wala pong medical, whatever. Wala. And he was absent for the past, since the very first hearing. Wala po siya dito. Umiiwas yung mayor nyo. Kahit itong mga councilors nyo, may problema rin to kasi the invitation was also sent out March 5. Tatanungin pa kita dyan tungkol sa GAD na seminar na yan. But anyway, with this excuse letter that was sent to us by Mayor Ryan Dolor, this is unacceptable. For me, this is not valid reason for him to be absent today. Pang-apat na po ito. It's the pleasure of the members of this committee, and that includes all the members present in the Zoom.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
before I also have to raise, I was looking at this letter kanina eh. Una, po, it did not state what kind of medical treatment he's actually seeking, Mr. Chair. No, wala man lang medical records or anything like that to justify his absence. Second po, is that parang sinadyang i-time to yung extension for the travel authority because we already scheduled the hearing after the expiration of the original travel authority. So, medyo halata po na iniiwasan tayo ni Mayor Dolor eh. I don't know why, no? Because it has been the fourth meeting po na absent siya. And lastly, no, sa observation ko lang po sa letter niya is that this letter from the office of the city mayor is dated March 13. Tama ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
And he is in the United States.
Yes, Your Honor.
So how was the seal attached? How was it signed?
Actually po, through his authority po, he just emailed us the originally signed document, and we had it sealed po sa office of the mayor.
Okay, so original signed.
Yes po.
How was it sent?
Via email po.
Email.
Yes.
Okay, so e-signature to.
Yeah, yes, Your Honor.
All right. Kasi, imposible naman na in 4 straight hearings hindi makaka-attend si Mayor. Di ba? And he's a very, for me, important na resource person in this particular, because it involves most of the actions of the LGU nga. So, the fact na it did not even state what kind of medical treatment he's getting, wala man lang medical records attached to justify his absence. And for me, it's obviously just trying to avoid appearing in this committee, Mr. Chair.
That's all. Thank you, Vice Chair. So, what's the pleasure of the members of this committee? Chairman Akop, please
Mr.
proceed.
Chair, for continuously not attending the hearings in spite of the invitations given for 4 times, may I respectfully move that we declare Mayor Rian Dolor in contempt. So move, Mr. Chair.
I second, Mr. Chair.
There's a motion to cite in contempt Mayor Ryan Dolor of Butuan, Batangas. Duly seconded. Any objections from the members in the Zoom? Nobody objects? No objections. No objections. Hearing no objections, the motion is carried. Mayor Ryan Dolor of Butuan, Batangas is cited in contempt for violation of or not attending the continuous absence of this in this hearing. Just for the record, the violation being made by Mayor Dolor is in the violation of Section 11, Paragraph A, refusal to attend hearings without valid excuse. Thank you. Yes,
Mr. Chair, I move that he be detained in the premises of the House of Representatives, Mr. Chair. For a period until this committee hearing is terminated, Mr. Chair, or until he appears.
there's a motion to detain Mayor Dolor of Butuan, Batangas in the premises of the House of Representatives until this investigation is being terminated. Duly seconded. Any objections from the members in the Zoom? Comsec, please check if somebody objected.
We're checking now.
There's no objections. The motion is carried. Mayor Dolor of Butuan, Batangas will be detained in the House premises until this hearing is terminated. Thank you. Now, I'd just like to remind admin, attorney, please
Yes, sir.
advise your client, advise your mayor that he has all the right for an appeal. By
Yes, Your Honor.
tomorrow, you can send your appeal.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's proceed with in the case of Mr. Joseph Yu and Mr. Jonathan Yu. In the case of Jonathan Yu is also consistently absent for the past 4 hearings, and he was issued a subpoena last hearing. And same as with Mr. Joseph Yu, and is now being represented by Engineer Morales. Do you want to say something, Engineer? Please proceed.
Your Honor, three hearings lang po sila. Na-miss po nila yung 3 hearings. Three hearings pa lang po.
Bakit nakadalo ba sila once? Dito? This is now the 4th hearings.
Yung first hearing po, hindi po kami nabigyan ng letter.
You were not invited.
Oh, yes po.
But you were issued the Siocos order in the 2nd hearing.
Wala po. Hindi pa po kami nag-ano ng show cost.
Hindi, mayroon po. Because we follow the protocol of this committee. We issue the Siocos, then we issue the subpoena.
Ang pagkakaalam ko po, wala po kaming na-receive na show cost order pag yung tungkol kay Sir Joseph.
Ikaw siguro wala. Kayo silang dalawa, ba't nandito
Wala
ka?
rin po. Ang pagkakaalam ko po, wala rin.
Kayo ang pagkakaalam mo, but on record, mayroon po kaming record na nag-issue po kami ng Siocos, din subpoena. Hindi mo rin alam na nag-issue kami ng subpoena?
Subpoena po, parang meron po. Pero yung show cost po, ang wala po.
Comsec, please confirm if indeed we issue the Siocos.
We already issued the show cause order for Mr. Yu.
Joseph
Both
and...
Jonathan and Joseph Yu, Mr. Chair.
Okay, that's on record. So, Engineer, bakit po hindi sila makarating? Hindi sila pumupunta sa hearing?
Pasensya na po, Your Honor, pero usually po natataon po na may prior commitment po sila or may lakad po sila outside the country.
Eh, pareho din sila ni Mayor Dolor. Nung nakaraan, nag-abroad din. Tapos may wedding. Last time, nang inibitahan sila sa abroad din. Tama?
Yes po, Your Honor.
O ngayon, sa abroad pa rin. O when was the invitation was received by your boss?
Nung Friday po ng hapon.
For this hearing, for today's hearing. Pero prior to that, we scheduled it on the 11th, di ba?
Wala, Your Honor, wala po kaming nare-receive
Eh, nandito kang last hearing, di ba? And I told you, all invitees is still invited in the next hearing.
Yung letter po mismo, wala po kami, hindi po namin alam kung merong nung 11.
Ito po yung record, February 5, 2025. Joseph Yu was issued a show cause. Same as with Jonathan Yu. Ito po yung record namin. Anyway, so travel abroad pa rin.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Business.
Yes po, Your Honor. Siguro po, hindi ko po...
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Sir Manakop.
I noticed that the excuse of Mayor Dolores is his travel abroad, together with Mr. Joseph Yu and Mr. Jonathan Yu. May I move that we request for the travel data insofar as the three gentlemen are concerned from the Bureau of Immigration to find out whether nasa abroad nga po sila o nag-travel sila. So move, Mr. Chair.
There's a motion to require Bureau of Immigration to submit to this committee the travel data or records of Mr. Jonathan Yu, Joseph Yu, and Mayor Dolor.
Second, Mr. Chair.
Duly seconded. Any objections? The chair is none. The motion is carried. Comsec, please communicate with the ID for the documents. So now, let us proceed. What's the pleasure of the members of this committee with regards to the status of Joseph and Jonathan Yu?
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Chairman Akop.
may I respectfully move that we cite in contempt Mr. Joseph Yu and Mr. Jonathan Yu pursuant to Section 11, Paragraph A of our rules on inquiry in aid of legislation.
Second, Mr. Chair.
There's a motion to cite in contempt Mr. Joseph Yu in violation of Section 11, Paragraph A for refusal to attend hearing without legal excuse. Duly seconded. Any objections from the members in the Zoom? None. So, there's no objections. The motion is carried. Mr. Joseph Yu is cited in contempt in violation of Section 11, Paragraph A of this committee. Vice Chair Kit.
Mr. Chair, I move that the Joseph Yu be detained in the premises of the House of Representatives, Mr. Chair, until we terminate the committee hearing, Mr. Chair.
Second.
There's a motion to detain Mr. Joseph Yu in the premises of the House of Representatives until the investigation is being terminated. Duly seconded. Any objections from the members in the Zoom? Hearing none, the motion is carried. Next.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Chairman Akop.
may I also move that we declare in contempt Mr. Jonathan Yu for violation of Paragraph A of Section 11. So move, Mr. Chair.
Second, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion to cite in contempt Mr. Jonathan Yu in violation of Section 11, Paragraph A, refusal to attend hearing without legal excuse, duly seconded. Is there any objections from the members in the Zoom? Hearing none, the motion is carried. Mr. Jonathan Yu is cited in contempt in violation of Section 11, Paragraph A. Second motion.
Mr. Chair. Oh, sorry. Yeah, Mr. Chair, I move that Mr. Jonathan Yu be detained in the premises of the House of Representatives until we terminate the committee hearing, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion to cite in contempt Mr. Jonathan Yu in violation of Section 11, Paragraph A. Duly seconded. Is there any objections from the Zoom? Hearing none, the motion is carried. Mr. Jonathan Yu is cited in contempt in violation of Section 11, Paragraph A.